Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths World. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Angles and Pair of Angles for the 6th standard. The topic that we are going to learn is opposite rays. So let us learn about the opposite rays. For that, observe this diagram. What can you say about that diagram? If I observed it carefully and if I know the types of angles that we have learned in the 6th standard, then it is the straight angle. It is what? Straight angle which measures 180 degree. ये क्या है? Straight angle है जिसका measurement 180 degree है. And also ray BA and ray BC. Ray BA and ray BC are the arms of the angle. एंगल का नेमिंग क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? एंगल ABC. ray BA and ray BC are the arms of the angle. Also what can I observe other things that कि ये जो दोनों रेज हैं they are in a exact opposite direction and they are forming a straight line. They are forming what? Straight line. And also ray BA and ray BC are exactly in the opposite direction. That's why both the rays are called as opposite rays. They are called as what? Opposite rays. Why? Because they are exactly in the opposite direction and they are forming a straight line. Also we can say that we can take one more example. PQR. So if I observe this, यहाँ पे ray QP and ray QR, they are forming a straight line and also they are in a opposite direction. So that's why they are called as the opposite rays. Now let us learn about the concept opposite angles. If I have two rays, let us name it as A, B, C, D, which are intersecting at a single point. If I have two rays which are intersecting at a single point, then what? यहाँ पे if you can observe, here we have one pair of angle which are exactly opposite to each other. Here we have one pair of angle. Which are those? Angle AOD, angle AOD and angle BOC. BOC. Angle AOD and angle BOC. ये जो एक पेयर है वो exactly opposite direction में है to each other. Also second pair if I observed, angle AOC and angle BOD. This is also in exactly opposite direction with each other. So जहाँ पे हम लोग के पास pair of angles होते हैं which are exactly opposite direction with each other, they are called as the opposite angles. They are called as what? Opposite angles. So here we get the second concept, that is the opposite angles. Cleared everyone? Now next let us start with the practice set 7. Practice set 18. In that first question we have, name the pairs of opposite rays in the given figure, and the figure they have given as the naming was L, M, N, T and here we have P. So which are the opposite rays here? Opposite rays मतलब मैंने क्या बोला था? The rays which is forming a straight line and they are in opposite direction. So here if I observed carefully, ray PL and ray PM, ray PL and ray PM, they are in opposite direction. That means what? They are the opposite rays. Second pair, ray PN and ray PT, ray PN and ray PT, they are also what? In opposite direction, so that's why they are also the opposite rays. Now second question they have given as, are the rays PM and PT opposite rays? Give reason for your answer. मतलब we have to observe this figure only, and by observing this figure we have to write whether the ray PM and the ray PT are opposite rays. If yes, give the reason. If no, give the reason. लेट अस वेरीफाई कि ये दोनों रेस अपोजिट रेस है कि नहीं. कहाँ पे है PM एंड PT, ये दोनों अपोजिट रेस है क्या? नो, दे आर नॉट अपोजिट रेस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट रे PM and ray PT are not opposite rays. Now we have to state the reason also. Why they are not opposite rays? Because they are not in opposite directions. Also they are not forming a straight line. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या लिखना है? Reason ray PM and ray PT are not forming a straight line. That's why they are not opposite rays. Next we have to learn one more concept, that is angles in linear pair. एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर मतलब क्या? एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर, एक लीनियर स्ट्रेट लाइन है, उस पर जो कुछ भी एंगल्स होंगे उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर. सपोज इफ़ आई ड्रॉ वन डायग्राम जहाँ पे ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है एंड ऑन दैट स्ट्रेट लाइन वी हैव टू एंगल्स. लेट अस नेम इट एज PQRS. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द टू एंगल्स ऑन द स्ट्रेट लाइन? पहले तो यहाँ पे लिख देंगे कि विच इज़ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. स्ट्रेट लाइन कौन सा? यहाँ पे लाइन PS. उस पे कौन से दो एंगल्स हैं? एंगल PQR एंड एंगल RQS. एंगल PQR एंड एंगल RQS. अभी मैंने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? दोनों एंगल्स किस पे है? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे है ना. दोनों एंगल्स कहाँ पर है? स्ट्रेट लाइन पे है. सो हियर द बोथ द एंगल्स आर कॉल्ड एज एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर. एंगल्स इन linear pair. Why angles in linear pair? Because they are on the straight line. That's why they are called as the angles in linear pair. Now let us learn the one property of angles in linear pair. अभी हम लोग ने अभी पढ़ा कि ये जो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, स्ट्रेट लाइन मतलब एक स्ट्रेट एंगल फॉर्म करेगा, है ना. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन जो है कुछ स्ट्रेट एंगल फॉर्म करेगा और स्ट्रेट एंगल का मेजरमेंट कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. सो द मेजरमेंट ऑफ स्ट्रेट एंगल इज़ व्हाट? 180 डिग्री. एंड अगर हम लोग इसके ऊपर वाला फिगर ऑब्जर्व करें, ये जो एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर है वो कहाँ पे है? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे है. मतलब वो दोनों एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट भी कितना होने वाला है? 180 डिग्री होने वाला है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन से कि एंगल्स इन द मेजर ऑफ एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर इज़ 180 डिग्री. समझ में आ रहा है? द सम ऑफ measure of angles in linear pair is 180 degree. So here we can write the sum of measure of angles in linear pair is 180 degree, and that is the property of angles in linear pair, which we have to apply in further practice sets. I hope you understand both the concepts, opposite angles and the angles in linear pair, and also practice set 18. So if you like my video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. And if you want the new videos from your sites, then let me know in the comment section box. Thank you.